So I'm a small to medium-sized company owner, and I want to use AI. Everybody starts using AI, and I want to start my digital transformation journey. What would be the hints and important parts that I should take into consideration before even starting such a project?
So first of all, it's very good that you're thinking about starting, your digital transformation within the company, and you're looking ahead basically to understand what artificial intelligence can bring on the table. But the first question will be, are you ready for it? Because the artificial intelligence, okay, there are a lot of models, they are already taught, and you can use them for writing documents, for writing letters in the sales cycle and so on. But what kind of business scenario do you want to implement? This is the first question. Then are you ready to implement it? Do you have enough data? Otherwise, how will the artificial intelligence work on the process itself? How do we teach, the artificial intelligence to understand the business process and follow the business process? Coming back years, there was the so-called RPA, so robotic process automation. It's definitely part of the game because people think that AI will solve all their problems, but actually even RPAs can solve their problems. So these are like small software robots that can actually automate the process. And by doing that, you need to make sure that you're collecting enough information in order to build the future AI solution that is required for your business. You need to collect the data, right? So, if you have enough technical documentation and you want to build an AI on top of the technical documentation, it's easy. So you can automate the process. But if you want to predict, like for instance, like a scenario that AI can help is in manufacturing, the main KPIs is not to stop the production, right? The production line. So a lot of people are already connecting, the line with IoT devices, and they're trying to extract the information out of, the machine in order to build a predictive algorithm after that, in order to predict when the machine will fail, what needs to be done, how to repair it planned, basically with plant maintenance, so that the whole production doesn't stop. The data, the machines, they are creating data. The data is all around us. It's you just need to collect it. It doesn't matter if it's the temperature of the room, if it's the humidity of the room, is it the vibration of the machine, is it the vibration of the pump? All this information can be collected, and based on that you can build your AI model that understands and predicts failures on the line, on the production line.
It depends on the business goal. If you know the business goal, then first you need to verify, do you have all this information which is relevant to solve this business goal? And if you're going to use the AI system and language models, you need to know that you need a huge amount of data with a very good quality in order to achieve a good results out of the AI system. So let's start from the goal, from the business goal, and then go back and see if you have all this data available.
Collecting enough data and the right data.
Yes.
Because our AI agent or software will be as good as the data we give into it. IoT devices. What is an IoT device? What does it mean? Just for me as an owner who doesn't understand this.
So it's IoT device is basically a small device that you can attach to a particular machine or within your production unit, or you can put even on the wall. So again, there are a lot of devices around us which are IoT devices. We don't know it, but it's, the name is coming from Internet of Things, right? So basically it's a small device that has a very simple function to collect data and send the data over Internet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and different protocols. And that's why it's called Internet of Things, right? So the small device that actually can collect valuable information of any type.
And transmit this information to some central system.